I've been using this Fireplace, electric fireplace TV stand for quite a few years now, and there's so many great features about it. First off, I love the color. I love how it looks. I also love all the storage. Even though I don't have a ton of stuff here, I like to keep it simple, but I can put stuff on the shelf, and there's also two different spaces here that I can fit books or really anything else that I want to store in there. Now, one of the really fun and cool features is the electric fireplace. So let me show you how that works. Plus we get a remote so that I can sit or lay in bed, relax and lounge while still getting the fireplace effect that I want. Now you're also able to customize this. It does actually give off heat if you want, which is pretty cool. So I can actually heat my small space here with this electric fireplace. I can also adjust the brightness if I want it to be really bright or just want a little extra light. Another feature I also like is that while you can still hear the heat coming out just for a moment here, you can actually turn the heat off so that you're not warm if you don't want to be. You can use the heat or you can just use it for aesthetics. Overall, I love this electric fireplace. I have my TV mounted above here, but you can also put your TV on here or you can decorate it like I have. Highly recommend this if you're looking for a safe fireplace.